This tutorial is going to go over a new workout attachment feature for coaches. This allows coaches to now embed videos, upload photos, upload PDFs and other files directly to the workout itself. So when your athlete is in our app, they can watch the videos, they can download the PDFs, they can see the images and see any additional instruction that you put on these files, which are attached directly to the workouts. Now, the first thing you'll do is make sure you are in coach mode. If you're not in coach mode, you can always switch between athlete and coach mode right here. Here I'm in athlete mode. If I click on this, I can say view as coach, and I'm now in coach mode. When you're in coach mode, you will see our new workout attachment library here. And this is the place where you can create libraries and then folders underneath those libraries. So as you can see here, I have two libraries, general strength and pre-run mobility. If I want to create another library, I can come up to attachments and I can make a brand new library. And then underneath each library, I can then create these folders. So if I wanted to add, let's say, another folder under body weight, let's just say upper body, I can create that, and now I've got a second folder under body weight. And you can create as many folders or subfolders underneath the folders that you want. And then if you need to edit something, I could come in here and say, let's see, pre-run, click edit, and this is where I could change this to pre-run routines, and I'll save that. Now, once you've created your folder structure, now you can begin adding files directly to these folders. So for instance, I'll just go into this lunges folder, and I've already got a bunch of videos in here. I can come up here and say new attachment, and you've got 4 different types of files. So you've just got text/HTML. This is where I'm just, typing a name and typing a description and putting in links that I just want my athletes to see. The next type is images, and this allows me to either browse my file system and upload an image, or I can just grab an image from my hard drive and just drop it directly here. So here's a plank image, front plank. Again, if I want to write additional descriptions about the image, I could write that here, and I'll create that. It's going to put the plank in here. And then files. This would be any sort of PDF, Excel file, Word documents. And again, I can either browse my file system here or just grab a PDF that I've got saved in my computer, drag it on there. Let's put test PDF and save that. So now that PDF is in here. And then finally, videos. And again, these can be videos from YouTube, Vimeo, Dropbox, or Google Drive. So for instance, here I will grab a video of a single leg box jump, post that in there, single leg box jump, and I'll create video. And again, it's going to save that video into my library. Now, the cool thing about your workout attachment library is, number one, you can do multi-selections here. So as I hover over it, I can select, and if I want to delete multiples at a time, I could click delete, and it's going to say, would you like to delete all 4 items? If I want to edit a video, I can come down here to the triple dots or edit a file, and I can simply edit attachment. And if I want to change, the URL, change the name, change the description. If I want to view it, I can do that 2 ways. I can either click on here and say open, and it will preview the attachment, how my athletes are going to see it, or I can just double click on it and it's going to open that as well. Now, once I've got files in here, I can easily reorganize stuff. So if I wanted to move some of these videos to this folder here, I could simply drag them over to the folder like this. And if I even wanted to move a folder into a different folder, I could drag this folder and simply drag it here. So super flexible, really fast with how you can move stuff around. So now, once you've built your attachment library, let me close out of this. Now you can actually attach 2 workouts themselves. So for instance, this workout right here, I've already attached a bunch of videos. If I need to edit those, I can simply click the edit icon, and it's going to open up my attachment library. This is what I've currently got attached. So if I wanted to remove a couple of these, I could do that, and then I could come in here. Let's see, I can grab this and just drag it over here, and then I could also attach by simply checking the boxes and then clicking this image or this button right here, attaching, and it's going to stick those on here. Now, if I want to reorganize this, if I want the plank to show up first, I can drag and drop this stuff and reorganize, and I can say save and close. And again, this is the order my athlete's going to view those attachments on. And so when they click on it, they will then see the attachments, and they can again slide through them like that. In our apps, they can simply swipe back and forth in the apps, and they'll be able to see those. Now, if I'm going to add a brand new workout, I can come in here and just say, just add a run here. I can put my description, and then under here is where I'm going to add those attachments. So I can click the plus sign here or click this to add attachments. Now up here is a search. So if I know what attachment I'm looking for, I can, here's all my lunges. I can search on that. And again, I can just drag these over here really quickly, or I can highlight a couple of these like this and just say attach, and it's going to attach those files. I can say save and close, and I'll add this workout. And now this workout has those attachments on it. Now, the same thing goes for your library. So here, I've got my workout library here. If I click on this, you can see in my library, I've got several videos attached to this workout. If I want to come here to this workout, I can click on this. I have no attachments yet. I'll add some. Go to some lunges, drag some over here. I'll add these, save and close. And then I've got 3 videos attached to that. So then if I do drag it onto my athlete's calendar, as soon as I drag that on, it saves. Then those attachments are already there for that athlete. Now we're going to show you what this is going to look like in our apps for your athletes. All right, so now I'm inside the Final Surge app. As you can see on the 18th, I've got that strength training workout that I put on my calendar through the beta platform. And up here, here's where you're going to see an attachment icon. So your athletes know that attachments exist. So all they have to do is tap on the workout itself. It's going to open up the workout details. And then down here at the bottom, they will see all of the attachments. And this is collapsible, so they can simply tap on that and collapse and expand it. And then they can simply tap on this, and it's going to open up the attachments. And once the attachments are open, I can just swipe left or right to get through the different videos and files that are linked to this. And then once they want to close it, they would just click the X right here, and it's going to close it and open back up to the workout itself.